I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and today I am going to unbox the Swiffer Wetjet. So let's go ahead and open up the shipping box here. And there's the internal box. Let's take this out, and then I'm going to go ahead and open this one too. So inside here we've got the pole for the Swiffer here. Let's pull this out. There's that. We've got some sample of these cleaning pads here. And we've got the actual mechanism itself. And we've got another sample of the pads at the bottom. So let's take everything out of the plastic wrap here. Okay, we're good to go there. So we've got the base of the Swiffer. We've got the compartment where we're going to put our cleaning fluid. We've got a starter thing of the cleaning fluid on here. Let's go ahead and take the cardboard that's holding that in out of there. And then we're going to assemble the handle on here. This little pole snaps in here. And we're just going to press this little tab in to get it to slide in place. And it's going to lock in here, pops back out and locks this into the handle here. Then we're going to do the same to attach the handle to the bottom part of the Swiffer. So hold that in place, click it in, make sure that that little piece pops back out. And I, in fact, did mine backwards, so if it doesn't pop out, then you know it's the wrong way around. We're going to go ahead and press this in again, and that's better. Now this is popped out of there, it's locked in place, and we've got our handle attached on. We'll flip this around, and you can see we've got our button to press to start the flow of the cleaning fluid, and we've got the actual Swiffer down there as well. Our next step is we are going to insert the cleaning fluid bottle in here, and we're going to put in the batteries. And maybe you're thinking, batteries? What batteries? And I was thinking the same thing. It turns out they're actually in with these sample cleaning pads. So I'm going to open this up, and those come right out. Here we go. We've got our batteries ready to go. We've got 4 of these AA batteries. And it just says on here now to insert the batteries. And this is where a lot of people have a bit of a challenge trying to figure out how to do this. Turns out it's pretty simple. We're just going to slide the battery compartment out here. It comes off of the handle, flip it over, and you can see where the batteries are going to be attached in here. So we just go ahead and put them in. There you go. Those are loaded up. Make sure to follow the little diagram to get the direction correct. We're going to just flip this back over, put it back onto the handle there, and then this is just going to slide and click back into place. Very simple. We're loaded up, ready to go. Those batteries are going to run the pump on the Swiffer Wetjet, as we'll see in a minute. Now let's go ahead and insert this cleaning fluid bottle. So very simple to do this. We're not going to unscrew the cap or do anything here. It's just going to go straight in. And so we're going to look at the back of the handle on here. We're going to take this container and make sure that it's oriented correctly. And we're just going to simply click that in. And you'll see it locks in place. To eject it later when it's finished, we press the eject button. That's going to be ready to go on there. Now let's take one of these pads. It comes with the kit here. And we're going to go ahead and place this down on the floor. And you want this to be with a little blue line side down. And then we're going to go ahead and just flip the Wetjet over, and we're going to put it down right on top of that pad. It's nice and grippy and should just grab right onto that, and it should stick right on. And in fact, it does. So we're good to go there. And now we're all set up and ready. So we can push this along the floor and clean. And then what we're going to do to actually activate is we're just going to press the button on the handle when we want to spray some of that cleaning solution. And you can hear the little pump, and it's going to spray it right out the front of the Swiffer Wetjet there from that little reservoir. And then we just simply mop using that. We can spray more whenever we feel that we need more on there. And we are good to go. We're good to clean and mop and start to clean off our floors here. So that's how we unbox and set up the Swiffer Wetjet.